Tools needed for this install is a T25 Torx bit, Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Ram pickup. Let's get started and open up the tailgate. First step, using your T25 Torx bit, remove 2 screws holding your taillight. Next, to unseat your taillight, you're going to grab it firmly on the top and carefully disconnect the ball joint on the top and then the bottom. After you unseat your taillight, go and get a small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press down on this red tab holding the harness. From here, you're going to press down on the tab on the connector and disconnect your taillight. Before we install our taillight, go ahead and bring over your factory OEM taillight. Take it to the back. You're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to remove 4 Phillips screws to remove the light bulb sockets. After removing your screws, carefully lift up on the bulb socket strip. Set your factory headlight aside. Bring over your new taillight. Your new taillight comes with the screws already, so go ahead and remove those. Before we install this, be sure to inspect the rubber gasket seal. Make sure they are intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and install it into your taillight assembly. Reinstall your 4 Phillips screws. Now that we're finished installing this bulb socket strip, we're ready to install our taillight. Go ahead and bring over your taillight. Go ahead and plug it in your harness. Slide the red clip back in place to lock it. Now these 2 guide pins here, make sure you drop it into the slot. Carefully push them in. From here, go ahead and reinstall the Phillips screws. After installing your passenger side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. Now that we have our taillights installed, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.